Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 8 Consumer Preview on Hyper-V. Okay, create a new virtual machine. Next, the new virtual machine Windows 8. Next, choose generation 1. Next, the memory MB. Okay. Next, the network default switch. Next, close the file ISO. Finish. Okay, turn on the virtual machine. Okay, so successful. Okay, next, external. The display is small. Okay, so we'll enter a product key. Okay, accept a license terms. Next, custom install Windows only. Next. Okay, wait. The process to finish. The Windows is restart. Click restart now. Okay, so the fish logo boot. Windows 8 Consumer Preview. Same Windows Server 8 Beta. So the VM is restart again. Okay, the name device. Sign in without Microsoft account. Using local account. The username. Okay. So already enter Windows. Oh, so who takes preparing Windows? Same the Windows Server. Okay, so this is the Windows 8 Consumer Preview. Okay, full screen mode. So the Windows 8 Consumer Preview. Check on the window first. Okay, so Windows 8 Consumer Preview. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.